number is 01DEP2B F1033.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Miragma Anwar. My matrix number is 01DEP23F1036.
Hello, my name is Aisyah Hilmi. My number card matrix is 01DEP23F1039.
Today I will talking about application of differentiation. We have two types of application of differentiation. That's mean graph and rate of change. Rate of change is stationary point to maximum point. Stationary point to minimum point. And the third one is infusion point. If dydx equals to 0, stationary point we have minimum point equals to d square y over dx square more bigger than 0. Number 2, maximum points. The formula of maximum point is d square y over dx square more smaller than 0. And then lastly, formula of inflection point is d square y over dx square equals to 0. Example of question 1. Of the following equation below, determine the stationary point whether it is maximum, minimum, or inflection point. See the example question. Y equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12.
So the first step for the solution is we have to find the stationary point. First thing first, we have to differentiate the equation. The answer it will be 3x power of 2 minus 12x. After that, we have to factor the equation. The answer it will be x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. After that, we have to put the answer of both x into the equation, like y equal to 0 power of 3 minus 6 times 0 power of 2 plus 12. The answer it will be 12. The same thing as x equal to 4. Y equal to 4 times 3 minus 6 times y equal to 4 power of 3 minus 6 times 4 power of 2 plus 12. The answer it will be negative 12. So the stationary point it will be 0, 12 and 4 minus 20. So after find the stationary point, we have to find maximum and minimum point. After differentiate the equation, we have to differentiate again from dy over dx to d square y over dx square. So the equation of x equal to 0 will get minus 12. That is less than 0. If the answer get less than 0, it will be maximum point. And then we will use the x equal to 4. X equal to 4 will get 12. That is more than 0. It will be minimum point.
So, the step 3 is sketch the graph. 0, 12 is a maximum point and 4, negative 20 is a minimum point. This is the graph that we will get from the equation.
Example question 2. Of the following equation below, determine the stationary point whether it is maximum, minimum, or inflection point. Example of question. Y equals to 4x cubed plus 9x squared minus 12x minus 5.
So the solution of step 1 is find the stationary point, which is y is equal 4x cubed plus 9x squared minus 12x minus 5. We should differentiate the equation. So we get dy dx is equal 12x squared plus 18x minus 12. So after that we should to factorize that. So we get that 12x squared plus 18x minus 12 is equal 0. So we get x is equal 1 over 2 and x is equal negative 2. After that, substitute x to 1 over 2 and we get y is equal 4 times 1 over 2 cube plus 9 1 over 2 square minus 12 1 over 2 minus 5 and we get the answer is negative 8.25. After that, we substitute s is equal negative 2 and then we get y is equal 4 negative 2 cube plus 9 negative 2 square minus 12 negative 2 minus 5 and we get the answer is 23. So we get the stationary point, which is 1 over 2 comma negative 8.25 and negative 2 comma 23 are stationary point. Next, the step 2 is we must find the minimum point, maximum point and diffusion point. So d square y over dx square is equal 24x plus 18 and then we substitute x is equal 1 over 2 to the equation. So we get 24 times 1 over 2 plus 18 is equal 30. 30 is bigger than 0. So from that equation we get the minimum point because 30 is bigger than 0. After that, we substitute s is equal negative 2 to the equation. So we get 24 times negative 2 plus 18 is equal negative 30. Negative 30 is less than 0. So we get that from the equation is maximum point. So 1 over 2 comma negative 8.25 is a minimum point and negative 2 comma 23 is a maximum point.
So the step 3 is a graph. From the equation we have 1 over 2 minus 8.25 is a minimum point and minus 23 is a maximum point. So this is a graph that we will get from the equation.
Lastly, the summary application of differentiation is differentiation involves finding the derivative of a function with respect to its independent variable. We have to understand the key term related to graph that is stationary, maximum and minimum point to create the graph using the equation. So that's all from us. Thank you.